Hey guys, Cal with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to give you a few tips to make your caulking jobs a lot less messier and a whole lot easier. First tip, you want to make sure that when you cut the tip off that you go at a 30-degree angle, and you don't want to go too much, less is more. And the second tip, sometimes when you're caulking and you're going along, the tube rotates and that can create a mess. A solution for that is to take a Sharpie and go right on the tip, and it gives you a bit of a sight, almost like a crosshairs, to make your caulking a bit more accurate. So you have to do that. You can go along and you can make sure that you're doing it just right. And then when you get a bead that you're satisfied with, and you can go to any home center, you can pick up this caulking tool kit, and it has this little tool in it. You can go along the bead and you can smooth it out, and it gives it a nice professional finish. So those are just a few tips that'll make your caulking jobs a whole lot easier. For more tips like these, head to familyhandyman.com.